facts in the case are not unusual. They come from people who have not clearly been watching my program for the last 22 years, because it seems that the two of you lived together without benefit of marriage for a long time. Mr. Williams, you came into some money as a result of a settlement from workman's compensation. You purchased a house.
Yes, ma'am.
And the house was purchased with all of your money.
Correct.
And the mortgage on the house is in your name.
Correct.
And you added Miss Emmerich's name to the deed, according to you. Miss Emmerich did not put in any money into the house.
No, ma'am.
She doesn't even allege that she put in any money into the house. So now the house legally belongs to the two of you.
Correct.
And in addition, you were a really nice guy, and you said, here is some money, according to you, to furnish the house. You gave her $30,000 and you put it in her account, and she went out and she bought all kinds of stuff for the house.
Yes, ma'am.
She says that you gave her the $30,000 and she went out to furnish the home, to make it into a home. Then the two of you split up. And now the home is a problem, because if the home had been in your name, Mr. Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
Since you were the person who paid for it, since you
Yes,
were the
ma'am.
person who has the mortgage for it, then there would be no problem. You would probably do the gentlemanly thing and say to Miss Emmerich, listen, we've been together for 9 years, but it's not working out. I'm going to give you time to find a place to live. So instead, the two of you resorted to filing orders of protection against each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Which was ridiculous, because the first thing an order of protection is supposed to do is really protect people, and neither one of you was being threatened by the other.
Correct.
With the exception, no way, with the exception of the fact that you wanted the house. Oh, that's what you did. You got him out of the house. Don't say no.
That's right.
I'm telling you, yes. You filed for an order of protection, and he was ultimately put out of the house, and was out of the house for a while. He filed an order of protection against you.
He filed one against me first, ma'am, and it didn't go through, okay? He's lying again.
Just a
No,
second.
ma'am.
Did you file an order of protection against him?
After the fact, he threatened when I caught my daughter in the bedroom behind the door, when I put laundry in the washer that was downstairs where his room is, when he threatened to hang me and burn me alive in the basement.
Miss Emmerich, listen to me.
correct.
Whose house is this?
It's both of ours.
Well, unfortunately, you are correct. That would be your fault.
Yes, ma'am. I understand this.
And unfortunately, all the courts can say to you, Mr. Williams, is because you were foolish enough to add Miss Emmerich's name to the deed, is
That was a
That-
commitment.
We
that
went
would do
shopping
together.
for the house together. I was supporting him for many years. He got that settlement after falling after 3 days on a job, okay,
Miss
ma'am?
Emmerich,
ma'am.
his settlement, his money. All I'm telling you is that
10
the only
years
thing that the only
living
thing
off me.
The only thing that I can tell you is that some judge, not me, because I don't have the right to do that in small claims court, is going to tell you that you're going to have to sell the house and then deal with the proceeds with each other, because in order for you to sell the house, you have to get her to sign off on the deed.
Here's a quick deed right here.
I'm not doing
Just a
it.
second.